All right, we're back. Lee Vantage. We're about to jump into Nature Said No Rules. And the cat agreed. Okay, so I think cat's about to be getting medieval. I got both my daughters here. We just showcased my son, my little oldest, and my middle oldest. Now we're about to jump into this one. What do you guys anticipate from this video? What do you think is going to be happening?
Cat fights.
Oh, cat fights. What about you?
I just think that the cats are just gonna go crazy.
Crazy. Okay. All right. So remember, we're trying to get to 150, then to 200. So if you see this and we're already at 150, the goal is 200 subscribers. Hit the like button immediately, then subscribe and enjoy the video. Let's jump into it, you guys.
Cat versus bear. No flinch. You got sugar or not?
There's a little beer box next to it too. Look at it. To the cat. Fox is quick.
Meerkat hugs cat. Cat, is this a citizen's arrest?
Ow!
You messing with a deer.
Oh yeah!
Sly's right there. Oh, okay, he's afraid of Sly. Oh, look, Sly's taking after him.
Fox shows up, cat sprints. Nope, not today. Cat chases guinea pig slowly. I'll catch you after my nap.
The cats be laying paws up on him. Did he catch him? Oh, he caught him.
He's so cool that he's taken up hunting birds of prey.
Да, цирковых животных, животных от фотографов, животных, которые больше не нужны своим хозяевам. Дяма может фотографовой приблуда.
Cat and Wallaby box it out. UFC Backyard Edition?
Cats be squabbling.
Jelly, don't get stepped on.
Coyote wants to play. Cat's like, this isn't recess.
Oh, it didn't go to the right. He slapped that eagle.
Well, I guess I'll move back over here with my friend.
Oh, it's two of them. We got you, though. We got you.
Cat steals food from a lion. Lunch is lunch, bro.
No.
Emang kucing gede nih akur nih. Set. Eh,
Are we in? It's a buzzer. That's not.
Cat locked out. Open the door or I'll file a complaint.
My cat's on the stove.
Squirrel escapes. Mocks cat. Too slow, Whiskers.
Hedgehog.
We do live in the same house.
Cat rides goat. Next stop, chaos.
No, otan nyt niistä ja mulle lähetet sitten, niin mä saan Emilin.
Cat food.
Snake appears. Dog and cat. Avengers assemble.
it's not.
It's those are
Yo, Fox, that's like
It's not a king cobra. Oh, no.
looks like a cobra.
Oh, are you loving on Harry? Oh, you loving on Harry? No, kitty.
Getting after it, huh?
Tiny kitten stares down goat. Size doesn't matter.
Leo, be careful. I'm a bit worried, Justin.
Yeah, on video.
Cat grooms fawn. Spa day. Nature edition. Dog gets too close. Cat slaps. No touchy.
Oh, ooh. Oh, not again. What kind of snake is this?
Cat cuddles bearded dragon. Beauty and the Beard.
Hey, hey!
Cat wrestles coyote. I said no rules.
Ooh, that's wobbly.
Cat and duck brawl like siblings over the last snack again.
Oh, man.
Monkey.
Cat stares at bear. Bear climbs tree. Yep, I run this place.
Got after the bear.
The bear got scared.
He fed him. Oh, he fed him.
Are you trying? Oh my goodness! It's another cobra.
Turns out when nature said no rules, cats heard challenge accepted. From
Running off them cats, feeding them things. Wow.
Violent. How is that violent? Because.
What y'all think? What y'all think? What y'all think? Talk to the people.
You go first.
Well, I think that proves that cats are superior.
Yeah, little things is pretty quick. You know they can actually kill a snake. So they can kill those snakes. They're so fast the snakes can't strike them, so they just wear them out, and then the snake just either runs off or ends up succumbing. They usually run off like you saw in the video. What did you think, TT?
Well, first of all, it shows that sometimes cats can be vicious.
Yeah, all that soft fur is just, and the sleepy looks and sleeping all the time. They get down, they get busy. Is that all, B? TT, that's all y'all got? We can end it? You want to tell them something? This your second rodeo, B. Come on.
What?
This is your second rodeo. What are we supposed to be doing?
Make sure that you like and subscribe.
Thumbs up. Oh, you was thumbs up last time and had the thing going thumbs up on us. Come on, y'all got to get with it. All right. Like and subscribe. See you guys on the side. Please show love for the guests today and their reaction to this video. Nature said no rules, and the cat agreed. Hopefully, we look forward to getting into something else more, even more their genre stuff. Anime head over here, YouTube head over here. That's their specialty as far as television is concerned. That's their expertise. So, see you guys on the side. We out. You gotta whisper.